I'm on the 2012 Nissan Murano right now. I'm actually pulling the vacuum on the AC system. See from the negative. So pretty much it's a really straightforward job. 2012 Nissan Murano. You're going to take off this front wheel. Then you're going to take off a fender cover. This goes right here. So then the next thing you got is your 13 millimeter right here. You're going to turn this clockwise. It's going to loosen up the tension on the belt. You can just slide it off right here, and then that's that. You also got two 14 millimeter bolts right there. You're going to unzip those. After you unzip those, you got yourself a harness. So unplug, which is right here with my index finger pointing. You get it from the back end where you see that green wire. Pinch it and then pull it. You'll be able to get that out. After you get those two things off, you'll want to take off the skid plate, which covers out the whole bottom piece right here, and then you'll be able to see your AC line here and your top AC line. You need a 10 millimeter bolt to get those off. You'll pop those off real quick. And then last but not least, you have two 14 millimeter bolts, one there, one right there that holds on the compressor. So you have 4 bolts in total holding on the compressor. Once you get those two off, you'll be able to just finagle it out right through there. You'll be able to pull it out right through here, nice and easy. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be just getting kind of straightforward to the point on these types of videos, because I don't really like when I'm trying to look at a video and it's taking way too long to get to the point. So
I would go all by myself in the day or the night. I don't care about the fighting. If I was drunk enough, I just might end your life. I didn't care about police. I was riding, pull up in your spot, boy. I'm drinking and driving. My mama say stop, but I ain't compromising, boy. I'm thugging hard to the day that I'm dying. Smoking on that ganja till I feel like flying. Them X's and O's make me feel like I'm dying, and the 8 ball make me feel like you lying. I know that God came in the right time, and for real, I would whip